Hey everyone, my name is Alex Schultz, and welcome to my Pluralsight course, Creating Web Services with Go. Web services power just about every web application and mobile app that we as consumers use every day. And Go has established itself as one of the dominant languages that companies are turning to in order to build those web services. In this course, we're going to be building a RESTful web service using Go in the standard library. Some of the major topics that we're going to be covering include handling HTTP requests, working with a database to create, update, and delete resources using your web service, working with WebSockets to create a more event-driven experience for your users, and working with templates to generate formatted output such as HTML. By the end of this course, you'll have a firm foundation from which you can start building your own web services using Go. Before beginning this course, you should have some familiarity with Go. You don't need to be an expert, but having some experience will make this course easier. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to build RESTful web services using Go with the Creating Web Services with Go course at Pluralsight.